Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Will Smith and Russ. Wow, what a great match there. And the song is called Work of Arts. It actually is. It's a work of arts. Very interesting lyrics. And Will Smith explains the song and the meaning of it and uses very large words when you do that. So yeah, watch the music video, listen to the song, and of course play it. And that is the mission here on Garden Guitar. We're gonna learn to play it. So we're gonna use only bar chords here for the song, so no need for any capo. We have 4 different chords, and the power of bar chords in this specific song and many other songs is that you pretty much hold the same grip at different positions. So that is very, very nice. So we're gonna start with a bar chord here, the 5th position with the index finger. This is called the A. So you bar all strings there on the 5th fret, and then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6th on G. Okay, that's the A. The next chord is the A sharp. So what you do there is to take the exact same grip and move it 1 fret towards you. So you land at this position with the bar finger on the 6th fret, and everything else follows there. That gives us 8 on A, 8 on D, and 7th on G. So from A to A sharp. Then we have D minor, and it's down here, but it's actually the same grip still. So you have a bar now on the 5th fret again, but you don't bar the last E string, you bar the 5 strings below, and then you need to add 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6th on B. So that's your D minor. Imagine you have the A, you just go down 1 string, and there we have the D minor. And then the final chord is C, okay? So it's up at this position. You have the same grip as A and A sharp, but now you have it on the 8th position here with the bar finger of the index. So you bar all strings there. Then you need to add 10 on A, 10 on D, and 9 on G. And there you have the chord progression through the entire song: A sharp, D minor, and C. So just to clarify this, the chords are the same for A sharp, and C, just different positions. A is on 5th, A sharp on 6th, and C on the 8th. And then you have the D minor, which is actually the same grip still, but just 1 string down on 5th position. Anyway, let's look at the string pattern. So this goes over 2 chords, 1 string around. So we're gonna look at the transition here from A to A sharp, and then you just apply the same principle for D minor to C. So A to A sharp, starting with A now, it goes like this. So it's down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. And then you immediately change to next chord, in this case the A sharp, and play down, down, clap, down. So 1 down, a short pause, and then down, clap, down. And that's it. And then you apply the same principle, like I said. You're gonna use the next chord, D minor, and play that in the same way as A. So down, down, up, clap. And then immediately go to C and play down, down, clap, down, in the same way as A sharp. And that's the whole song. So, a couple rounds. What a powerful song there from Will Smith and Russ, work of art. Give it a try. If you enjoyed this song, this tutorial, then give me a like on this one. Subscribe to this channel and support me here. I really, really appreciate that, guys. So thank you, everybody, and Play tuned.